I'm joined by Madam Girja Subramaniam, CMD of New India Assurance. Thank you so much, ma'am, for talking to ET Now. Firstly, congratulations for 106th Foundation Day. Everyone is happy. Your investors are also happy. We have seen your stock reached the mark of 310 rupees today. They are also happy. Your company's performance we have seen. Just want to understand what's new happening in New India going ahead.
New India keeps reinventing as we go, and it's going to yet again try to, be the market leader in the true sense of the word. We are working a lot on our servicing, client servicing, on product innovation, and on automation in a big way this year. And we will be focusing a lot more on our retail segment, trying to get more into the retail lines, trying to see that our product mix gets right and it's in tune with the industry. These are the few things that we would be doing, and also looking forward to, growing in unpenetrated areas this year, so that we add more to in terms of contribution to the nation.
Ma'am, any product launches, new product launches you are planning?
Yeah, today on Foundation Day, we did a product launch of Griha Suraksha for 40-year long-term policy we have done. Along with that, we've also launched a few policies which earlier in our portfolio, but the long-term versions of the health and motor policies we have also released this year, today, and going forward also a lot of products are on the anvil.
Okay. Ma'am, so focus area, which segment you will be focusing more going ahead?
Like for us, health is the biggest segment at the moment, and we will be focusing on health in both the corporate and retail side. And going forward, we'll be trying to do a lot more on home, on liability class of business, miscellaneous class of business. That's where we'll be focusing more going forward.
Ma'am, any tie-ups we can see going ahead with New India, with state governments also, or with other group businesses?
We are open to tie-ups with all state governments to see that we cater to any insurance demand from their end. And we are actively in discussion with a few state governments. As and when things materialize, we will be able to put them in place. We are open to a lot of collaboration with state governments, with other entities, to see that we reach the last mile customer.
Ma'am, my last question would be, you just said that your focus area on expansion would be retail. So for that, what kind of new initiatives we will see?
Retail segment, we are trying to automate many of the products that we have brought out, and which are as of now not automated. So we are doing that. We are working on our IT integration. We are working on bank assurance partnerships. We are also trying to reskill and take our agency force through a lot of trainings and product trainings on on the new products that we have launched. And through this, we expect that all these channels will add a lot to the distribution of our retail products.
Thank you so much, ma'am.